rock under that wheel.
Here you go, buddy. It's a yummy bit. It was like a dawn of time style sunrise.
Big rock under that wheel.
Oh, I've got so much dust in my eyes. Yeah, I'll try and find one. Yes, this is our view for the night. I don't want to brag or anything, but you know. There's a big rock here. What have you got there, Freddie?
Premium grade firewood, and we're going to use it to chock up the back right wheel so that we're a bit more level. Gee, I didn't see that stuff.
I saw it. Don't worry.
This one. Look at that.
Perfect. Right. It's like a glove.
Alright, so I'll go forward a smidge and then we'll go back. I'm pretty impressed with how easily it went up there.
Yeah. At least it's not wet. A bit more. Can you go back a smidge, like an inch? Yep. Yeah, perfect.
Good.
Are we flat?
Yeah, it's good. It looks it.
Yay!
Spot on.
Where's that dog? Where is he?
All about him.
There he is.
What the hell's going on out here?
You were asleep before.
He's like,
We've
what is
moved
all
spots.
This bloody chaos. Sit.
Blimey, Frank, the sun's not even up yet. This is our little camp spot from last night. Frank's just woken us up for his breakfast and the sun's not even up yet. His gift to us is waking us up in time so that we get to see the sun come up. Our gift to him is breakfast. Not a bad spot. We're at a private little free camp along a little beach on a bay on the west coast of Tasmania. Frank's already doing the dishes. He's over here cleaning the barbecue grill from last night, aren't you, bud? Hey, you getting it real squeaky clean for us? You got lucky this morning, didn't you? Wakey, wakey.
No.
Wakey, wakey.
So we were sitting out there having coffee and it was very nice, and then it just got freezing cold all of a sudden, so we've come inside and we're going to cook some breakfast. But it's very nice out there.
Yeah.
So today we're going to spend the day camped here in this gorgeous spot. We'll probably cook some meals on the fire, I reckon, because we're going to try and save some of our power. And we'll spend another night here. It's an absolutely gorgeous spot. It's probably the best spot we've stayed at so far, I think. The last video that we uploaded, actually, that was a really good spot as well. But I reckon this one's better. The view's better. Although it's very dirty. The ground is like black, so Frankie's a nice shade of grey, but that's alright. Anyway, breakfast time.
Jalapeno,
What, fresh jalapeno?
not a habanero. Wow,
Jalapeno.
it's a spicy jalapeno.
Mm.
Oh, spicy.
So I've got a little job to do today, and that is fix our toilet. The little fan that's in there, which circulates air through a little charcoal filter, has died. Luckily, we've bought some replacements for that. So we'd fixed this once maybe four or 5 months ago. Luckily we have 2 more spare little fans, so hopefully I can use one of those and get it fixed. Hopefully that's the problem and it's not some other issue, but we'll find out. Contact. So this is my little workstation. This is the old fan, and I suspect a little bit of moisture has just gotten in there and now it's cooked. This is our little replacement fan, so I'll just chuck that in there. This is the charcoal filter from the toilet, and every 3 months you're supposed to change the little charcoal pellets out, put some fresh ones in, so I'll do that as well while we're here. Couple of those fellas. There we are. That's the best we can do, I reckon. Alrighty, well there it is. That's the new fan. And then this guy. So this is what we've got. We just found this in a pet store. I think typically used in fish tanks and that sort of thing. And it already comes in little small pellets. Alright, 2 jobs done.
What's for lunch, chef?
Chicken. Was it chicken salad? Chicken sort of Caesar salad?
Well, without the Caesar. And a view.
So we're not doing anything fancy, we're just going to chuck it on the fire and season it afterwards. Oh, look at this one, Frank. It's for you. Maybe we'll just cook it, eh? Just so you feel like you're part of
part of the experience, my bud. I even salted yours, mate. There's your little bit, Frank. Hey, we'll just set it over here. Let it cool off a little bit, bud, hey? Here you go, buddy. It's a yummy bit. Hey, 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 wait. Yeah. Is it hot?
Almost lost it.
Look at that. Come on. Oh, it's hot. So fucking hot. Voila. Voila.
Hello, sir. What are you doing? What is it? Okay, so time's getting on. So it's now about just a bit past 5. So I'm going to start cooking some dinner. We're going to have a really yummy dinner tonight. It's a little bit cool, so I think it'll be quite nice to have it. It's going to be like a beef kind of casserole, but we're not putting it in the oven. So it's kind of like a beef stew, but it's not cooked for very long. So it's sort of like a saucy beef dish cooked on the stove, something along those lines. We're not going to cook on the fire tonight just because we don't have the right pot to use on the fire. So we'll cook on our stove instead. But yeah, I get to cook it with a really nice view, which I guess we've been showing off all day. Yes, if you're wondering what's flying around, it's not flies, it's bees. There's just bees everywhere here. They so far haven't stung anyone, but they literally are just everywhere. And over here, in this tiny little van, we've got some potatoes. What do you want? You want some potatoes? I think this is ready.
Bon appetit. Bon apple tea. Goodness me, buddy. Look at you.
Look at him. He's grey.
This fella has been eating charcoal. Look at you. Hmm? What are you? You're a grub. You are such a grub,
We
mate.
need to find a dog wash, don't we?
That's amazing.
What do you reckon? Good sunrise?
Well, that was the most amazing sunrise I think I've ever seen. We scrambled out of bed this morning to see this sunrise coming up because it was just the most amazing looking sunrise. It was like a dawn of time style sunrise.